Hi there, my name is Brian Sunholm, Product Manager here at OPW Retail Fueling. Welcome to the overview video for our new Segmented 71SO Overfill Valve. We've now taken our trusted 71SO, as you know and love today, and we've taken it from 2 tubes into 4 tubes into different segments, and we've now put it into this compact packaging as you see here. There are many advantages to this new compact packaging. Freight costs will now be lowered as it eliminates any overlength shipping fees associated for you or your customer. And we can now ship via UPS now that our packaging is under the 5 feet, and any rush order that you need next day air, we can now achieve. It also allows for easier storage, as there's ability to store more valves and drop tubes in your warehouses and service vehicles while also saving space. It reduces shipping damage, as seen sometimes on those longer drop tubes. And it now allows you to be able to replace any specific tube segments in the event of tube damage or errors on the job. With this new 71SO segmented overfill valve, there comes a few new components. First off is our new upper tube. We have now gone to a flanged upper tube to eliminate the inlet for any of your standard valves. Second, we have a new tube joiner which will connect your tube segments. Third is our testable inlet, which will be used on the upper tube without the flange. And lastly, we have our new 71SO-Seg tool. This can be used for both your testable inlet and your tube joiners. Shown here on screen are the options that are now available for our segmented 71SO overfill valve: vapor tight, E85, testable, and non-vapor tight. All versions are CARB EVR approved with the exception of non-vapor tight. All non-E85 versions are now compatible to B100. Each of these tubes will have its own identification easily seen from in situ. Vapor tight will have 1 dimple. E85 will have 2 dimples. Non-vapor tight will have 0 dimples. And testable will utilize our new blue anodized testable inlet. We've also adapted this new design to our 61T drop tube. For further information, please reach out to your local district manager or customer service rep. Also, please remember to go watch the segmented 71SO installation video. Thanks for watching.